Hello everyone, welcome in my today video on China business visa process. After watching this video, you will get knowledge about how to prepare the document for China business visa, what is the fees for China business visa, where should I submit the document for China business visa, what I need to ask from Chinese company, and what I need to prepare ready from Indian company. So let's discuss one by one. The first document that is required for China business visa is your passport. Your passport should be valid for at least 6 months from the date of travel. The second document is document required from Chinese company, that is invitation letter from Chinese company. In invitation letter, some things are clearly described, that is your purpose of stay in China, your place of stay in China, how many days you will stay there in China, and one more point. The Chinese invitation need to be signed in Chinese language only. The other document is required from China is the trade license from Chinese company who is inviting you, and the ID copy of Chinese person who is signing on your invitation letter, any government ID copy. The next point is document required from Indian company. See, from Indian company also you need to have document for China visa, that is your GST copy. Your form should be filled in proper way. You can get the form online. The cover letter, that is also called a sponsorship letter of Indian company letterhead, and that need to be signed and stamped by the authorized person. Hold air ticket is fine for China business visa, and photograph 35 mm into 45 mm white background. The next point is submission of document. Who can submit the document? Where should submit the document? Like that. So the applicant and authorized travel agent can also submit your document. The applicant himself or authorized person. Authorized person means VFS has authorized some agents on applicant behalf to submit the document. The next document is visa fee, payment, money. So for every visa which will be applied, there is some impact of charges. In China visa also there is some charges that need to be paid. For single entry visa fee, charge is 4783. Multiple entry visa fee charge is 13150, means 13,150, and for double entry fee is 6283. All visa category having 30 days maximum stay in a single entry. So these all are about China business visa requirement. After watching this video, you can submit your document in VFS, and also you can ready the document. If you want some help from my company in terms of air ticket holding, you can contact me on 9312540202 or 9599076202. Thank you so much for watching this video.